Ah, ke go botsa mtshana. Re ja dikuku, next thing and this guy pops out of nowhere. O thoma re botsa ka dibitsa re. But I told him he looks like Pinky. Hey, mfethu amfusha ka mollo. Okay, class. Take out your physics textbooks. Today we are going to learn about the things that conduct electricity. Sorry, sir. I have a question here. Why do we have to learn all these subjects like mathematics and physics? What if I want to be a cop? Kitos already to Tibianka solve for X. Wena, I don't even want to talk to you. You must go to the police station and fill out an affidavit stating why I must even entertain you. Yo. Why so serious?
But he's right, sir. Nah, I want to be a chef. What recipe can you apply Ohm's law on?
Telejam. Electricity is a very big part of our lives. So it is important that we learn how it works so that we can use it safely. Now, why is it important to keep electricity away from water? Mashaba, tell us the answer. And like Mr. Mutaung, I'm for standing for the one. Uno choose now rata khona go ntsatsela.
Mr. Mutaung doesn't like anyone, bruh.
Mfana udi amba.
O tra gra bolo la daso. O tlo phehla ke mtlakasi daso. Listen, don't play around the electricity, okay? Wa ibona sign e yiso. O ka jumpa hi, e tlo chuma mtlakasi.
Kodwa mina ngifuna uthatha ibhola yami.
You must go around or ask an elder. I want to jump on my fence. Hey, where the mamota is very loving for a change. Hey, Lina Kamolina, Licheville school again. Hey, Manyana, when a school is straight.
A timer, where's our uncle?
Gideon.
There's an electric wire above you. Hogai Kata, it will show.
Alright, man. If you are not careful, we could have ourselves an unexpected barbecue.
We were born yesterday. We 2 minutes you know everything. Moro, I want electricity mo. Electricity is inside the wire. That's why I didn't know you
Daughter Sara eti was wadi kumofat.
Then Namoro. I'm not touching the ground, so don't worry, Musha.
No, there's still leather.
Turn them away. Mapit. Okay, Mutagul.
Yo, Kenagana Rue Chica next door.
Hey, Mapitu, Yakilo Balitlosi before Naguao.
You were very lucky, mister. 2 more minutes you'd have been singing hallelujahs with angels in heaven.
Hesh, I have to admit, I didn't see that coming.
You mustn't work or play under overhanging lines, Simon. It is dangerous.
How do you know so much about electricity tomorrow?
Mr. Mutaung goes scale.
But at least your lesson about electricity was more energetic than Yamutaung.
I shut up, Wena. And go move. Peliga will terminate. We will at once. Hey, how suave. Hey, c'est Québec aussi, c'est diamant. Mutudo sera remuli belege. Hey, Kimambia. Yewan, on a un rudia. Eric Vonele Eskom. Hello, Eskom. Hey, on a laissé Québec comme si busy sur toi de Tapachama Taras. Pakisha.